Hey guys, it's me Lena, and usually I'm uploading hair videos, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest 5-minute no sew I got a random t-shirt laying around face mask. Okay, so let's jump right on in. So usually when I'm sewing the face mask, I'll do them about 8 inches across, but I want to keep all the letters, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it 10 and hope for the best. So I'm just showing you right here, it's 10 inches across, which is a little bit longer than a normal size face mask. So I'm just going to take this and cut the whole bottom of the shirt off. Okay, so now I'm going to use this extra and I'm going to cut a strip about an inch wide. I'm not going to measure. Don't overthink it. Doesn't have to be perfect. So about an inch wide, just cut it all the way across. And this is the pieces that we're going to use for the straps to go around our ears or to tie around all the way around the back of our heads. And I'm just going to cut this, just split it right in half. There's no seam on the side of this t-shirt. If it was, you would just cut that seam off. So now I'm just going to pull these two pieces of fabric, t-shirt out, and stretch them out so they're thin, and this will make a good tie or strap for the ears or around the head. Now to the face mask part. This is about 5 inches high. I usually do about 6, but whatever. I'm not really going to measure it. I'm just going to eyeball this and just cut it. So I'm going to go out a little bit further because I want to try to keep all the letters. So I'm just going to cut around the words on this shirt and just use that and hope it works out for the best. Like this is for me, so it's not a professional. If you're making yourself a face mask from a t-shirt, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm sure nobody should be close enough to see the details anyway. 6 feet, keep your social distancing going on. Okay, so here I have, and I'm just going to flip these so I can do the right sides facing each other. So I'm just going to flip it around and put the right sides of the shirt. So the inside of the shirt should be facing outward and on the back. Make sure they're pretty even together. Like I said, don't overthink it. Just, this is for yourself. Just, make it decent. So I'm just going to fold the edge a little bit and I'm going to cut slits all the way down. And I'm going to do this on both sides. So just fold it over a little bit. Do not cut all the way through. You just want to cut slits so you have holes when you unfold it. Okay, so now when you unfold the little edges that you just cut, you'll have holes going up, and you want to take the straps and we are going to lace them through the holes. Just a basic in and out pattern just to connect the two sides of the face mask together. So just do this on both sides. I didn't count the holes. It doesn't matter. They're not perfect. One might have 8 slits, one might have 10. It doesn't matter. Don't, like I said, don't overthink it. Just do it. Let's make this really, like, literally, let's make this a 5-minute project. Now on to the last step. We're going to take our face mask and we're going to flip it right side out. So we're just going to simply just turn it so our nice little words are on the outside. And as you can see, the sides are together and intact from our little thread and with the fabric we just did, or with our laces. And guys, this has to be the easiest face mask to make. Anybody can do this. You can take any type of random t-shirt you have laying around. If it has a nice little design on it, you can use it. And like I said, I didn't overthink it. So we're going to take the ends and you can easily just tie a knot where you have a loop that can go around your ears, and you can cut the extra off. But if you're one of the people who gets irritated with the straps behind your ear, you can simply just leave them long and tie them around the back of your head. Your choice. Or you can leave them like that and have the option to do both. So whatever you want to do with the straps is just, you know, your choice. So now I'm going to show you guys how it looks on, and I'll be right back.